Egypt, we got 2. Africa has like 20, 22. We have 2. We have the bald eagle, which is our national symbol, and the golden eagle. Golden eagles are not just native to North America, though. They're actually found all the way around the world, and we're going to see on her because of her equipment. But if you guys saw any eagles fishing or maybe sitting in a tree, you might have seen that they have yellow all the way down to here. I know, yellow skin. What are you doing, girl? And the bald eagles just hang up there, and they just dive bomb and straight, and they can grab these guys out of the water. Here in Colorado, prairie dogs, jackrabbits, cottontail rabbits, and of course, as we have seen, they scavenge. Bald eagles will scavenge, steal, they look like they're here. Conversely, I have seen other E2016. They let her go, right in the same area. 2 days later, she wound up inside a building housing oil and gas this year. He was shot. He was shot in Montana in his second winter. He is missing half of his right wing from here out. When they're in